In the video for today, I'm going to show you 3 methods to track a lost or stolen Android phone using its IMEI number. If you're watching my video for today, I'm very much sure your phone is lost or stolen. I'm sorry about that. I don't know how it feels because I have misplaced 2 phones of mine in the past and it was a pain. But what we can do is just try and track it. Okay, so the first thing is you get onto a laptop or a PC, or you could even do it from a different smartphone. Open the Chrome browser and do a search for Google Play and get onto the Google Play Store on your Chrome browser. Okay, here just do a search for track lost phone using IMEI. Okay, just do a search. Once you do that, you're going to get a lot of suggestions out here for different applications which may just help you. I'm not too sure. I don't trust any other applications apart from the official Android tracking app or the Apple tracking application. So for Android, it is Google Find Hub or Find My Device. So this is one application which may just help you to track your phone back on Google Maps. So you could install this application on your device and try and see if you could track your phone using the email address. I'm going to show you how to do the tracking in the second method, but this is the first method. The second method is to directly do a search for Google Find Hub. Okay, just type in Find My Device or Find Hub, and then you get a lot of suggestions out here. Click on the second suggestion, find your phone, and then just select the phone that you're wanting to track, and you're directed to Google Find Hub. If you're prompted to log in with the same email address which was on the lost or stolen phone. After you do that, within a couple of seconds or a minute or two, you are going to see the location for your phone. So this could be the current location of your phone or the last location. If you recognize this place, well and good, you could get to the location, try and get your phone back. But if you do not get your phone, it means this was the last location. So if you want, you could click on the pin. You're going to get directed to this page on which you get to see the coordinates for the phone. If you want nearby locations, you could click on the nearby option out here, and you could search by restaurants, hotels, or bars. So maybe if you click on restaurants, you see restaurants out here which is near to this place. So you could just rush to the location to see if you could get your phone back. Okay, now apart from these 2 methods, there is another simple way to do it. Just do a search for a specific department in your country that is going to help you to track lost or stolen devices. For example, in India, we have a specific website known as sanchar-sathi.gov.in. If you are in India, you want to track a lost or stolen phone, or you want to report it, you can get onto this website and do that. Okay, get onto the website, just scroll down a bit, and then you have an option to block a lost or stolen phone. Okay, click on this option, and then you're going to be directed to this page. So you click on block lost or stolen mobile handset, and then you get directed to this page on which you have to fill up your details. So in order for you to go ahead and completely fill up this form so that your IMEI number is blocked and your phone is tracked using its IMEI number, you have to provide them with number 1, the invoice or the bill, and number 2, a missing complaint report. So as soon as you misplace your phone, you are supposed to be filing in a missing complaint to the local police station. Put in an application out there, get an attested copy back, and scan it. So you need to submit these 2 documents out here, then completely fill up the form and submit it. And then you are going to get a request ID or a confirmation number. Please keep that saved so that you could track the investigation further. So after you submit this form, just wait for like 4 days or something, and then you could get back to ceir.gov.in, and then under CEIR services, you can click on check request status, and then you put in that request ID, solve the captcha, and submit. The website is going to give you the status for the investigation of your phone tracking. Okay, and apart from these 3 methods, I don't suggest any other method to track a lost or stolen phone using its IMEI number, because we do get websites or hackers online on the internet telling you that they could track your lost or stolen phone using its IMEI number for a fee. If you pay them a fee, you're going to lose your money. Okay, so do not do that. You have these services for absolutely free. Go ahead and utilize these services to see if you could get your phone back. If you get your phone back, well and good. If you do not, then I suggest you continuously work with the cops in your location to see if they can help you going further. Otherwise, let's hope for the best, and I hope these three methods are sufficient for you. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.